Hello students, I am Khalid. Welcome to my new video number part 3 for the chapter 6, My Childhood. As I have told you in my earlier video, this chapter is this chapter is a biography of APJ Abdul Kalam. It means Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam, who also President of India who served as a President of India in 2002 to 2007. Okay, and then 11th President of India. Okay, students, in the region of UPA government, Congress government. Okay, in this video we will talk about the word meaning of the chapter, the childhood, my childhood. The name of the chapter is My Childhood. Why the name of the chapter is My Childhood? Because in this chapter the whole extract is about the childhood incident of APJ Abdul Kalam. This chapter is taken from his autobiography, the book Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire is an autobiography of Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin. I have told you autobiography is book which is written by a person himself or themselves. Autobiography is a book which is written by the persons himself. Okay, students, Wings of Fire is written by Mr. Abul Pakir Jainul Abidin Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam. So very few excerpts are taken from this from that book and contained and then it named My Childhood. Okay, for the class 9th from the book Beehive. Okay, in this video we will talk about the word meaning of this chapter, which will help you to understand the lessons of my childhood very easily, which will help, and it will also help you in your examination. Okay, students, the first one is generosity. Generosity means kind and helpful. Kind and helpful. The word generosity is taken, and the author used this word for his father. His father Samsuddin, who was his father Jainul Abidin, who was his father. It means Abdul Kalam's father, Jainul Abidin, was very generous person, very kindful person, and who was not much educated, but he was very kind. Okay, and then here the next word is ideal helpmate. As I have told you, Ashi Amma, who was his mother, the name of his mother is Ashi Amma, and who was an ideal helpmate. Ideal helpmate, it means a great supportive person. Ideal helpmate, it means great supportive persons. Okay, students, and then we will use here it. There is some mistake. Okay, students, and the next word is gratitude. Gratitude, it means thankfulness. If you gratitude to anybody, then it will thankful for them. It means and then here the fourth word is erstwhile. Erstwhile, it means former. The author used the word erstwhile for the Rameshwaram city. The Rameshwaram city is under the Madras city. Rameshwaram city is under the Madras city, and before it joined in Tamil Nadu state, it was in Madras city. Madras, it is an old name of Chennai, and it is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu, it is a south state of India. Okay, and then here the next word is innate. Innate, it means inborn. A quality or feeling in one's nature, then it is innate. When a quality in one's nature, this is called innate, by a person who inherited from his family, from his father, mother. This is called innate. And then sixth word is austere. Austere, it means simple. This word belongs to his father. It means Jainul Abidin, and this is for his father, austere. It means he was a very simple person, very generous person. It means very kind person. And then here the seventh one is Anna. Anna and Anna, it means Anna, an old Indian coin worth about 6 paise. 1 Anna equal to 6 paise in old Indian coin. In old Indians, anna was used, and one anna worth about 6 paise is equal to 6 paise. Okay, students. The next word is orthodox. Orthodox, it means traditional. Okay, a person who follow his or her religion traditionally, very strictly. This is called orthodox. And then here the next word is Dinamani. Dinamani, the local Tamil Nadu paper, the local Tamil paper. It comes in Tamil language. It is a regional language of Tamil Nadu. Okay, Dinamani, very old newspaper, and it is a local newspaper of Tamil Nadu. And here why it is describes Dinamani, because his cousin, it means Abdul Kalam's cousin Samsuddin, who used to hawking the newspapers in whole Rameshwaram city, and Abdul Kalam helped him during World War II. During World War II, he was 8 years old. It means in 1939. Okay, and then here the second last word is slot. Slot, it means vacancy. And then here the last word is allied forces. Allied forces, it means the armies of UK, USA and USSR, Union Soviet Song of Russia. During World War II, India joined the Allied forces. Allied forces during World War II, India joined, our country joined the Allied forces. During World War II, our country joined the Allied forces. Allied forces, it means the armies of UK, it means United Kingdom, United States of America and United States of Soviet Song of Russia. Okay, Union Soviet Song of Russia. So on that time during World War II, Indians army joined Allied forces. It means UK's armies with USA's armies and Russia's army. Okay, students. In this video, I have discussed with you the word meaning of this chapter, the chapter of chapter 6, My Childhood, which is an autobiography of Abdul Kalam, APJ Abdul Kalam's, which is taken from his books, Wings of Fire. Okay, students, the whole word meaning which will help you in your examination. As I have told you in my earlier video, the whole biography in English and Hindi. In previous video number part 2, I have discussed with you in Hindi, and in video number part 1, I have discussed with you in English the whole chapters. It means the childhood incident of Abdul Kalam. Okay, students, we will meet with you a new video. Take care. Bye. Have a nice day.